So, how about those test results? First, let's briefly go back about a dozen years ago when I was first learning about essential oils. I didn't want to start using them until I had the answer to what I thought was the most important question: what brand is best? After doing my research, which meant combing all the websites of zillions of companies, I came to one conclusion: they all claimed to be the best. It was then I stumbled on certification, and during my training I learned about GCMS testing. It's when they take a fancy machine and check the contents of essential oils on a molecular level to determine the purity. They can see just how much menthol is in that peppermint, and if things have been added or removed after distillation. I was intrigued. Could this be the answer to discovering which brand is best? Or at least which ones were pure and which ones were not? I took it to my followers. At the time, I was focused on natural health, sauerkraut fermentation, cloth diapers, homeschooling, and to my surprise, a lot of them were also curious to learn about essential oils. And not just learn about them, they were willing to donate funds to get them tested, and we did. We sent in samples of myrrh from the two big MLM companies at $60 to $90 a pop, an organic brand, one from an herb company, and Oracacia, whose bottle was only $15. The results came back. The organic one was a winner by a smidge, but just as good was Oracacia and the MLM brands. This meant we did not have to pay $60 to $90 for a bottle of myrrh when the $15 bottle was just as good. We went on to test tea tree and peppermint, boy was that eye-opening, and saw the same thing. The expensive brands were not necessarily higher in quality. In fact, we discovered one company was adding an adulterant to make their peppermint smell better. But this was a case where you didn't have to pay a premium to get a high quality essential oil. So there you have it.